Man011 here with another unboxing. This time I'm going to go ahead and unbox the Bluetooth wireless keyboard from Apple. This is going to be my wireless keyboard for my iPad to type up notes or just type in general, maybe search on the web, stuff like that. So this is the Bluetooth keyboard, and let's go ahead and unbox it. So there's some documentation and stuff, normal. And it's pretty simple little unboxing here. The design is really nice. I like that you have to turn it on right here on the side. So let's go ahead and turn it on. And I'm not sure if it has an LED. Oh, yeah, right there. It's got an LED indicating that it's on and ready to be synced. So let's go ahead and set that up on the iPad. Turn it on. Keyboard. We can get a closer look here. Sign 615027. There we go, connected. Alright, so let's go to something where we can type on. Actually, let's do notes here. And we'll zoom back out here. That's pretty sweet. I really like that. I had never done that with iPhone, but if it does work with the iPhone, that's pretty sweet. I could actually be typing up some notes in a meeting or whatever just with a wireless keyboard. Just lug that around. That's awesome, and I can actually email it to myself. It'll open up my email, which I don't have set up on this iPad yet, but that's just awesome. I like that. Alright guys, there's the Bluetooth keyboard and the syncing to the iPad. Hope you guys like this video. Thanks for watching. Talk to you later.